Good afternoon, everyone. This is Martha with Martha's Creative Life. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wanted to say thank you today, especially for all my new subscribers and to all of you that have sent me little messages. I appreciate it so much. All the support and the love that I've been getting really does make a difference in helping me to keep me going with making these videos since I'm certainly brand new at doing it. I have learned so much since I've posted my other first two videos. This one's today is a little bit different than normal, and if you hear anything, that's my blue heeler playing with his fox. So he's having a fun time with that at my feet playing. So if you hear any little noises, that's him. So today what I wanted to show you is Scentsy is a company that's been around for quite a while now, but they offer fun stuff that smells good, wax that's for your home, for your car. I got this covering up my address so you don't see it. But this is just a little whiff box that I bought. It's something that Scentsy offers every single month, and I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing here on YouTube and share with you. So without any ado, let's get started. Are you having fun? Get your fox. He loves this little fox. He's going to check it out too. No, that's Mom's box. That's not yours. Get down. Good boy. Yeah. You can't have those scissors either. Well, this is what you have when you have a 6.5-month-old blue heeler puppy. Oh, it's a whiff box. Can't I sniff it? Oh, it said whiff, not sniff. Oh, well, shoot. Ooh. It says whiff box, sent with love. And it's hashtag happy whiffing. So not sniffing, but whiffing. Is there a difference? All right, let's see what's in here. Oh my, okay, we've got this huge. We'll come back to that. I'm not sure what it is. All right, so we got Scentsy sea salt and avocado room spray. Very, very pretty. Stick it up my nose. Him and that fox. He loves it. Ooh, that smells really good. All right, so the next we've got is a scent circle. It's an air freshener, and it's squeeze of the day. So I'm assuming that it's lemon, maybe. I can't smell it because all I can smell is the sea salt and avocado room spray, which smells absolutely wonderful. Oh, so we've got Scentsy Pods. I'm still learning. I'm not sure what Scentsy Pods are for, but it said sugared strawberry. Whew, that does smell good. Show you what they look like. These little AirPods. They're a wonderful, delicious smell. Aww. You're all right. Everything's good. He's my watchdog. We have got a mini fan diffuser in gray. I bet that's what these go with. Hi, baby. All right. So this is the little mini fan diffuser. And then it comes with a USB cord. So I bet then you would stick the pod down in there. Yep. I bet that's what you do. Very cute. I guess you would put that in your near your computer, somewhere where you can plug it in for the USB. Oh, a fragrance flower. Oh, these are so neat. I have seen so many people use these. You all right? Okay, good. Okay. Excuse me. Go mango. So, okay. That doesn't fit on there. I bet this piece is the flower. Ooh. Okay, got it. So this is the fragrance flower. Very, very pretty. So you put the wick down in here in the bottle. You take the lid off. Okay, so take the black lid off. That would be for the shipping. And then you would put it down in there. Well, before you put it down in there, then you'd take this silver lid here and replace it with the black one so that you've got the hole. And then the flower will go down in there like this. Okay. They have it tight. You can't smell it. So that's good. All right, so that is very, very, very pretty. And then they give us the Connections, the Spring and Summer Catalog for 2022. So that's nice. You can see everything that Scentsy has to offer. Very, very nice. Let's put that back in there. This, that. We have a bag to open and figure out what on earth this is. The suspense. Okay, baby. It's all right. That was just me. Healers, they are such a protective. Hey. Come here. It's okay. Shh. Oh. Wow. Come here. Everything's fine. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. This bag I guess had ice in it and I didn't know. Oh my. Okay, there's the bag because inside of it, hi baby, you're okay, get a toy. Get a toy, not mama stuff. They put wax inside here. So if it's being shipped and it's too hot outside, then your wax won't melt. So we gotta look at, hey, shh. All's good. We've got aloe, water, and cucumber. Very nice. And then blue grotto. So let's see what these smell like. I am so sorry. Hey, shh. All's good. It's good. All in the mouth of a blue here. The blue grotto is a very light smell. That smells wonderful. Thank you. Good boy. I like that one. The aloe and water and cucumber. You know how sometimes scents take you back to your childhood? The aloe, water, and cucumber does, but I can't specifically say what it is that I don't know. Something about it brings me back to my childhood, and how wonderful is that? It's amazing how scents can do that to you. So, that was my Whiff box. Hey. Shh. It's okay. Here, take your bear. Here. Take your bear. 1 second. I'll be right back. So, sometimes you just have to close the door. Oh, he's seeing something outside. Yeah. So talk about service and protecting the customers and their products that they buy. I mean, I bought this Whiff box. It's my first one. I've never had one before. But I did not know that in shipping, particularly for this Whiff box, I keep wanting to say sniff box, Whiff box, that it would actually have an ice pack in it. That's just, I don't know, that's just pretty cool to me. So, and it's covered in this paper towel-like material to keep it from sweating, and then they put it down in a Ziploc bag. So that's pretty amazing. And then it came in this at least it smells good. Anyway, how fun was that opening up the Whiff box for June 2022? I just took us back 20 years. Boy, I was so young back then. Okay, all right. So, what'd y'all think about the Whiff box for June 2022? It was really nice. I've never had one of these before in my entire life. So the June Whiff box from Scentsy is pretty amazing. So I'll put some information in the description box for you below after I get done with the video. And then that way you can see about getting your Whiff box. So every month Scentsy changes it. So I believe that for the Whiff box for July, it's going to be nothing but pink. Not sure what that entails. It's just going to be pink. All pink. So anyway, until next time, y'all have a great day. Love each other. Take care. Bye-bye.